In this video, I'm going to show you one of the indicator that is completely hidden and not everybody know about this indicator. Not because it is bad, but because it is so good that it has proven to give more accurate trade entry signal than all other popular indicators, and you will feel that you have wasted most of your entire time doing technical analysis, and instead, you should have just used this indicator. This indicator is very accurate, and so simple that it directly tells you when to buy and when to sell with an extremely high win rate of 95% when used alone, and if you use it with custom settings and one other indicator, which I will tell you later in the video. This will then help to make the win rate to go up as high as 95 to 100%. Please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. Let's get started. Now before we start, just know that this indicator works with any time frame that we will use in this strategy or time frames ranging from 5 minutes or higher, but do not go anywhere less than 5 minutes because it won't be accurate. Now, to add this indicator to our chart, you will have to go to the Indicator tab and search for UT-Bot. Click on this one right here. Now go to Settings and set the key value to 2 and the ATR period to 80. Go to the Style section and uncheck the trailing stop and the buy option. After the setting, go to the Indicators tab again. We will add the same indicator. So search for UT-Bot and click on this indicator. Go to the setting and set the key value to 2 and ATR period to 300. Now, go to the Style section and uncheck the trailing stop and the sell option as well. Then click OK. Now that we have the indicator added to our chart, let's see how magically the strategy works. You can see that when we get a sell signal here, the price is moving downwards, and when we are getting a buy signal, at this point, the price is as well moving upwards, and this happens almost every time except for sometimes when it gives a false signal. Let's take some examples to further bring more light to this strategy. Here on the chart, the price tried reversing because of these sell signal that you got here, but then you got this buy signal and the price formed this long wick candles which are rejecting the downward movement. And then you got this second buy signal and the price formed this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Then you will take a long trade at the close of this bullish momentum candle and set your stop loss at the previous low and extend your profit target according to your risk to reward ratio, but I will keep my own at the risk to reward ratio of 2.2. Let's run the replay to see the result of this setup. You can see that the price reached our profit target, making this trade a quality trade entry. Let's take another example. Here on the chart, you could have entered short here after you got this sell signal, but when the price reached this point, you got a buy signal and the price formed this double bottom. Then to further confirm this buy signal, you will put a trend line like this, which also later got broken by this big momentum candle, in this way, confirming the buy signal. Then you will take a long trade entry at the close of this bullish momentum candle and set your stop loss at the previous low and target 1.9 risk to reward ratio. Let's run the replay to see the result of the trade entry. You can see that the price achieved our target, making this a high-quality trade entry. Let's show this again, but in the opposite direction. Here on the chart, you can see that the price was consolidating within this price range before it broke through the resistance and went up, but some buyers showed some weakness, and the price reversed. Then you got this sell signal when the price crossed back below the resistance line, and you could have waited for the price to break below this support level with this bearish momentum candle. Then you will take a short trade entry like this and set your stop loss at the previous swing high and extend your profit target to the risk to reward ratio of 1.8. Let's run the replay to see the result of the trade entry. You can see that the price achieved our target, also making this a high-quality trade entry. Now you can clearly see how well this indicator works, but there are also some false signals. But if you add another indicator, in this case, a momentum oscillator, which I'm going to show you together with this indicator, most of the false signals will disappear, and the win rate will increase even more. So first go to the Indicators tab and search for SDC oscillator and choose this one. Now go to the settings and change the length to 80 and the fast length to 10. In the Style section, set the first plot line to green and increase the thickness and the opacity. Again, set the second plot line to red and again increase the thickness and the opacity to make it more visible. Now we are going to use this indicator to confirm our entry. The simple rule is that when we get a sell signal like this green line should change to red and be above the red line and moving downwards like this, and then we will take a sell trade. In the same way, when we get a buy signal like this red line should change to green and be below the green line like this, and it should be moving upward, and then we will take a buy trade. Now let's take some examples using the combination of these indicators. Here on the chart, we are trading on the Matic USDT contract. You can see that as the price was moving downward, you got this buy signal from the UT bot indicator, and at the same time, the SDC indicator changed from red to green, giving you an early sign of a bullish reversal. Then you will take a trade entry long at the close of this candle and set your stop loss at the low of this bearish candle and extend your profit target to the risk to reward ratio of 1.7. Now let's run the replay to see the result of the trade entry. You can see that the price reached our target, in this way making this trade a high-quality trade. Let's show this again. Here on the chart, we are still trading on the Matic USDT contract. You can see that when you got this sell signal from the UT bot indicator, the SDC indicator changed from green to red, then you could have entered a short trade like this. But when the SDC line got to this point, it turned green again and tried crossing over this green line to the upside direction. Then you got this buy signal, giving you an early sign of a bullish reversal. Then you will take a trade entry long at the close of this candle and set your stop loss at the previous low and extend your profit target to the risk to reward ratio of 1.8. Now let's run the replay to see the result of the trade entry. You can see that the price reached our profit target, in this way making this trade a high-quality trade. Please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.